Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back to your online computer class. Hope you all are well and safe at your home. Today we will start chapter 10 Surfing Net. So let's start our chapter. Everybody knows that a computer network means two or more computers connected together with a special cable or devices to share the information. And everybody knows what is the internet. The internet stands for the international network, and it is a worldwide collection of computers that are used to share the information amongst each other. These computers are connected to each other through the telephone wires, modem, satellite links, or other means, enabling them to share the information amongst each other. Next is uses of internet. First reason, it provides the information news on the any subject. We can send or receive messages anytime and anywhere. We can chat with our friends using the internet. We can watch the videos of anyone while talking of them, and with the help of this we can do the video call. You can buy or sell new or old goods. You can buy the airline, railway, or movie tickets with the help of this internet. Perform banking operation. You can check the exam result. In short, we can say that the purpose of internet is to make our life better. Next is basic requirements for the internet connection. To connect your computer with the internet, you need the modem, an internet connection, telephone line, web browser. Next is using Internet Explorer. What is an Internet Explorer? The Internet Explorer is one of the most popular and widely used web browser developed by the Microsoft. You can open it either by double clicking on its icon on the desktop or select the start button, then all programs, then Microsoft Internet Explorer. Then next is email. What is an email? The email stands for the electronic mail. It is the facility on the internet to send or receive messages anywhere around the world. The best part of email is that a single mail can be sent to the number of person at a time. You can attach photos, videos along with your mail messages, which are called attachment. Next is email account. What is an email account? In order to use the email facilities on the internet, first of all, you have to create your personal email account. For this, you have to select a username, means email address, and provide a secret code password along with the particulars like name, address, date of birth, and the popular website which provide email facilities is www.yahoo.com in and www.gmail.com. Next is, what is an email address? When when we create an email account, we get an email address to which people write mail to you. That means it is our address. Every email account has a unique email address, which means no two people in the world can have the same email address, just like your postal address, which is one of its kinds. Your email address belong to you. Next is, how can we create an email account? First of all, you have to connect to the internet, then open the website www.gmail.com and then click on the create an account link, and a registration form will appear. After filling the registration form, choose a login name and password. In last, accept an agreement. Your email account is created if all the entries has been filled properly. Next is using an email account. How can you use? After creating an email account, you can use it to send and receive the emails. To use the email account, you must log in using your email ID, username, and the password. The login or sign in the system of different mail account may differ, but all have the following basic features like inbox. It contains all the received mails. Each messages header displays the sender name, subject line, time, and date when the mail was sent, and sometimes the size of the message. Next is compose mail. How can you compose a mail? To write a mail, click on the compose option. It opens a new window with the following components. First is to. Here you can type the email address of the person whom you want to send the email. Next is CC. Here you specify the address of the person to whom you want to send a copy of the mail, and the email address mentioned in the field are visible to all the recipient of the mail. It stands for carbon copy. CC stands for the carbon copy. Next is BCC. It is the blind carbon copy. It is also used to send copy of a mail to several people. The email address mentioned in this field are not visible to other recipient. Next is subject. You can type the main idea of the mail in the field. Next is sending a mail. After composing an email, click on the send button. Next is reply. This option is displayed on opening an email. It is used to reply an email. You can simply type in your message and click on send button. Next is forwarding a mail. You can send a copy of a received mail to other persons by clicking on the forward button. Last is sign out. The click this button to log out from the site once you have finished reading and sending the emails. So that's all for today. Now you have to making your email account and email address and practice how can you create an email account, how can you use a email account, sending or receiving messages. So children, that's all for today. Thank you, Sairam.